Hello, good morning, students. So today we will discuss about the questions. Okay, some of the questions of objective questions which will be there in your online examination. Okay, so as you know that I have already mentioned that which type of questions will be there. You will get only objective type questions. Okay, some of the questions will be multiple choice type. Okay, and some of the questions will be true and false, and some of the questions will be one word answer type. Okay, so you have to go through the book. Okay, so I have prepared from in between the books also. Okay, so before that we should check syllabus. Okay, which chapters will be there for your examination. Clear? Okay, so these are the chapters. First chapter is crop production and management. Second chapter is microorganisms. Third one is synthetic fibers and plastics. Number 4 is metals and non-metals. Number 5 is combustion and fossil fuels. And number 6, that is last one, is conservation of plants and animals. Okay, so this is the first chapter. Okay, so from page number 22. So first one is objective type questions. Okay, you can check in your book and you can go through this type of questions. Okay, so this type of questions will be there. To grow crops, farmers perform a series of activities in a particular sequence. Okay, so there is any or a particular sequence, so it is particular sequence. Second is plugging allows root to reach deeper into the soil. Then third one is to avoid soil from becoming infertile, farmers often add fertilizers. Number 4 is chemical fertilizers sometimes get washed away into water bodies by process of irrigation. Number 5 is seeds sown by broadcasting are distributed unevenly and may not ensure all seeds are sown at correct depth. Number 6, we should use drip irrigation method in place that have a shortage of water. Number 7, excess water on the field may cause a condition called waterlogging, which may harm the crops. Okay, number 8, animals like rats and insects damage the crops and can be destroyed by using pesticides. Number 9, a machine called the combine harvester is used for both harvesting and threshing. And number 10, bacteria in roots of leguminous plants have help in storing the nitrogen content of the soil. So these are the fill in the blanks. Now multiple choice questions. Choose the correct options. Okay, so number 1, which of these involves preparing soil for sowing field seeds, plugging, labeling and adding fertilizers? Number 2, which of these help to trap air into the soil, that is tilling? And number 3, which of these process involves separation of grain from the chaff, that is winnowing? Number 4, in which of these places will you store harvested grains? It is in dry and clean rooms. Number 5, which of these best refers to the practice of rearing honeybee apiculture? Number 6, which of these crops are generally planted in November and harvested in April, that is pea and gram? Number 7, which of these should be kept in mind while sowing seeds, that is both A and B. Answer is the distance between one another and the depth at which seed is sown. And number 8, which of this irrigation method does not lead to the wastage of water? Answer is sprinkle irrigation. Number 9, which of these are common implements used for removing weeds from the fields, that is trowel and hoe? And number 10, which of these process is usually done with the help of sickle, that is harvesting? Okay, so this is chapter number 2. A microscopic slide is used to hold a small sample, is called a specimen. Number 2, the microbes live alone while others grow in group are called colonies. Chlamydomonas is a unicellular algae. A fermentation by yeast produces alcohol and carbon dioxide. Shells of diatoms give a gritty texture to the toothpaste and helps in cleaning teeth. When a disease-causing microbe enters our body, substance called antibodies are produced. Bacteria is used for the treatment of sores. Citrus canker is a plant disease caused by a pathogen. Food preservation involves killing microbes or preventing their reproduction. Last one is in canning, food items are stored in tight cans to preserve them. Okay, now number B, that is true and false. All microorganisms are harmful and cause disease in plants and animals. False. Pathogens enter the body of healthy person through air and water only. That is false. When antibiotics are injected with the human body, the body produces substances called vaccines. It's true. In nature, nitrogen is fixed during lightning or by nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green algae. That is true. When plants and animals die, sulfur in their bodies decompose and return to the air. It's true. Grazing by cattle causes a disease called fin rot. False. Okay, so then foul odor is the only symptom that shows that the food has become unfit for the consumption. It is false. Number 8, boiling involves removal of water from the food items. False. Number 9, pasteurization involves heating a foodstuff to a high temperature and then cooling it rapidly. It's true. Then last one is all diseases are communicable disease caused by pathogens. This is false. Okay. Then after that, choose the correct option. So which of these is a thin sheet of glass that is used to cover the sample viewed under microscope? It is cover slip. Then after that, number 2, which of these refers to a spherical bacteria? It is cocci. Which of these is a primary causative organism for swine flu? Virus. Which of these microorganisms is used in manufacturing of alcoholic beverage? That is yeast. Which of these diseases can be prevented by a vaccine? It is poliomyelitis and chickenpox. That is polio and chickenpox. Number 6, which of this is not true about bacteria? They are all harmful to us. This is false. Okay, some of the bacteria, as you know, some of the bacteria are useful also. Number 7, which of these are microscopic plant-like organism with chlorophyll? That is algae. Then number 8, which of these found in milk coagulates to form cod? That is casein, protein. And which of these gets formed when fermentation takes place by yeast? That is alcohol and carbon dioxide. And last one is, which of these microbes are commonly used in sewage treatment? That is bacteria. Okay, so next one is from chapter number 4 from page number 68. Okay, so fill in the blanks with correct words. So galvanization is a process of coating iron with zinc to prevent from rusting. Number 2, graphite is used in the form of powder as a lubricant for machinery parts. Number 3, phosphorus is used in making matchstick and fireworks. Number 4, steel is an alloy of iron used for making building materials, nails of screws. Then lead is used in car batteries, pigments and paints. Number 6, hydrogen can be used as a non-polluting fuel. And number 7, liquid nitrogen is used for refrigerating cells for medical research. Then after that, choose the correct option. That is page number 69. So first one is copper is a reddish brown metal. Number 2, a soft metal that can be cut with a knife. It can be sodium or potassium. So option is potassium. So you have to tick potassium. Then number 3, the property of metal due to which they can be drawn into thin wire. It is ductility. Then number 4, which of the following is good conductor of heat? That is silver. Number 5, the order of reactivity of metal is, so first magnesium, then zinc, then iron, then copper. Number 6, a metal that will displace copper from copper sulfate solution is silver. Number 7, which of the following gases is produced in reaction of a metal with an acid? Hydrogen gas will be produced. Then number 8, which of the following is the least reactive metal? That is gold. Number 9, which of the following metal is used in paints and pigments? Lead. And which of the following non-metal is used for making matchstick and fireworks, that is phosphorus. And after that, fill in the blanks. Okay, so the property of metal due to which they produce ringing sound when struck with a hard object is called sonority. A non-metal that is a good conductor, it is diamond. A metal that burns with white dazzling light is magnesium. Metallic oxide turn red litmus solution to blue. Sodium is kept immersed in kerosene. Number 6, non-metallic oxide dissolve in water to form acids. Okay, so next question is from chapter number 5, that is combustion and fossil fuel, page number 84. So kerosene, petrol, diesel and fuel oil are examples of liquid fuels. Fuels are substances that produce heat and light energy for burning. Then number 3, anthracite is highest grade of coal. Then number 4, hydrogen has the highest calorific value. And number 5, fuel oil is used as fuel in power station and ships. Okay, next question is from page number 85. Fill in the blanks with correct words. So inflammable substances have low ignition temperature. Non-luminous flame is of blue color. Then inner zone is the coolest part of the flame. So exhaustible natural resources have limited ability in nature. Coal was formed from the remains of plants. Refining of petroleum is done to separate petroleum into used products. Then number B, choose the correct option. The color of the flame depends upon the temperature. What burns in candle flame? That is wax vapor. Which of the following is produced in incomplete combustion of hydrocarbons? Carbon monoxide. Then which of the following is a characteristic of an ideal fuel? That is high calorific value. Which of the following is the main constituent of natural gas? Methane. Which of the following is an air pollutant? All of these: carbon monoxide, oxide of nitrogen and sulfur, and soot particles. These are all pollutant of air. Okay, then number 7, in which of the following cases water should not be used for extinguishing fire? So water should not be used in burning diesel, burning petrol and electrical fire. So that's why option is all of this. Then number 8, which of the following fuel is considered as an ideal fuel for domestic use? It is methane. Number 9, which of the following types of coal is used for manufacturing coke? It is bituminous coal. And number 10, which of the following products of petroleum used in candle, ointments and Vaseline? It is paraffin wax. So after that, match the column. So oxide of sulfur and nitrogen causes acid rain. So domestic fuel is methane. Then diesel is used by heavy motor vehicles. Then spontaneous combustion, white phosphorus, and fire extinguisher, carbon dioxide is used in fire extinguisher. Clear? Okay, so next is from chapter number 6, that is conservation of plants and animals. So first is fill in the blanks. So in migration, an animal moves from one place to another to overcome unfavorable conditions. Number 2, overgrazing by cattle is a key factor that contributes to deforestation. Number 3, trees helps to absorb rain water that falls on the ground. Number 4, species that are no longer exist anywhere on the earth are called extinct species. Number 5, wildlife sanctuaries are special protected areas where only limited human activities is allowed. And number 6, botanical gardens are cultivated gardens established to conserve rare and threatened plant species. Okay, after that, choose the correct option. Which of these refers to an endemic species, that is species confined to a specific geographical area? And number 2, which of these is a major cause of loss of biodiversity? So answer is all of these. Number 3, when new species introduced in a region and grows and multiplies rapidly, causing a gradual decline of already existing plant, is known as invasive species. Which of these does the Tasmania will belong to? It is extinct species. Number 5. Which of these are some Indian conservation program? Chipko movement and Project Tiger. Number 6. Which of these refers to a species of animal that travel long distance at certain central of the year in the order to escape unfavorable conditions, that is migratory species. Number 7. Which of these has contributed to reduction of plants and animal species in the area, that is natural disaster. Human activities are restricted in which of this area? Wildlife sanctuary and national park. Number 9. Which of these is the main reason for poaching of Indian rhinos? Horns. Number 10. Which of these are serve as a breeding center for certain rare or endangered animals? It is zoological park. Okay, so today we'll do up to this. Okay, so you have to go through all these questions, and only these questions will not be there. Okay, some of the questions will be from in between the book also, so you have to go thorough through the book. Okay, then in next class we'll discuss one word answer type questions. Clear? So this much for today. So bye bye, take care.